Assessment 10, Lesson 55. Look at Section 1. Let's spell number 1. Zoom, zoom. Z, U, M. Z, U, M. Zoom. Number 2. Good, good. G, U, D. G, U, D. Good. Number 3. Shake, shake. Sh-a-k. Sh-a-k. Number 4. Yet, yet. Y-et. Y-et. Yet. Number 5. Mix, mix. M-ix. M-ix. Mix. Okay, Section 2. If you need to pause the video or rewind for Section 1, go ahead and do that now. Section 2, we're going to match this side to one of the pictures. On the top here are 2 pictures, hook and tooth, hook and tooth. What letters or letter go with hook and tooth? Draw a line now. Our next picture, shark, shark. Fox, fox. Yarn, yarn. If you need more time on Section 2, please pause the video now. For Section 3, we have not been working on coding, so go ahead and skip this section and look at the next one. 15. Mom left a note with Kate. Read that after me. Mom left a note with Kate. Who left a note? Who left a note? Kate has some grapes in the bag. Repeat after me. Kate has some grapes in the bag. What is in the bag? What is in the bag? Kate, Mom, or grapes? When you're done filling in those answers for Section 4, go ahead and look at the next section. The next 2 sections will need to be done with a parent or guardian. Read each sight word. If you get it right, put a check mark. If you get it wrong, leave it blank or put an X. Then come down here and tell the letter name and the sound it makes. If you get both right, you can put a check mark. If you get one right and not the other, write what you got right on the line. If you got none right, go ahead and put an X or leave it blank. When you're finished, submit your worksheet to your teacher.